Hello, this is Gajendra. I'm from Tansen. So today I'm discussing about most of the oldest gin. That name is Bombay Sapphire. Is from basically England. So Bombay, why it's called Bombay Sapphire? So it's called Bombay Sapphire. So Bombay Sapphire is produced for like Bombay, like Navi Mumbai, and it's basically one of the interesting thing where that Bombay Blue Sapphire gemstone. So that the reasons we are called like Bombay Sapphire. So Bombay Sapphire London Dry Gin is a premium gin renewed by England. So we are collecting. It's basically we are collecting like 10 varieties of botanicals when making for the Bombay Sapphire gin. That botanicals names juniper berries, coriander seeds, lemon seeds, lemon's peel, and angelica root, licorica root, orris root, cassia bark, and that come almond, and grain of paradise, and kiwi berries. So we are using 10 varieties of botanicals, and Bombay Sapphire gin bottle is like blue bottle. Why it's called blue bottle? So because of we are found in Mumbai blue sapphire gemstone. So that's called Bombay Sapphire bottle is blue. Another one chapter when guest tasting notes. If guest placing order for the Bombay Sapphire, the tasting notes comes in crisp and dry. The hint of juniper berries citrus. Coming for palate that comes in very smooth and dry and very warmfuls, and coming for like finish that long and dry, warm and very smooth flavor. And recommendation, if guest was placing order for Bombay Sapphire gin, so that is most of combination Bombay Sapphire gin with tonic water, extra addition that will be lime and sage leaves. It's the most of combination. If guest placing order for the cocktails, is basically if guest placing order for the cocktail, so we are recommending that cocktail name is like Gimlet and Martini is the most of classic cocktail. If guest placing order for the Bombay Sapphire gin based cocktail, we can most be informed to the guest Martini and Gimlet is most of classic cocktail when we are